In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off doorbell zoom. If you've ever been distracted by that little chime when people join or leave your meeting, this is the quick fix you need. I'll show you the reliable, permanent way to disable it from your Zoom account settings and the fast, in-the-moment toggle you can use while a meeting is already in progress. First, let's stop the sound at the source so it doesn't play in any future meetings you host. Open your browser and sign in to the Zoom web portal. This is different from the desktop app. You're going to the website where all your account-level settings live. Once you're signed in, head to Settings, then scroll or navigate to the section called In Meeting, and make sure you're in the Basic subsection. Here you'll see an option labeled Play Sound when participants join or leave. Depending on your account, it might also appear as Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. Turn that option off. Zoom saves this change automatically, and it applies to meetings you host going forward, whether they're scheduled or instant. If you don't see the option, double-check that you're signed in with the account that owns or schedules the meeting, since only the host or account owner can change it. Now, if you're already in a meeting and want to silence the chime immediately, you can do it right from the meeting window without leaving. Open the Participants panel so you can see the list of attendees. If you don't see participants on your toolbar, move your mouse or tap the screen to reveal the controls. At the bottom right of the Participants panel, click the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More. In that menu, simply uncheck Play, Join, and Leave Sound. That change takes effect instantly for the current meeting. It's a great on-the-fly fix if you forgot to adjust your settings ahead of time or if you only want the sound off for this particular session. A couple of practical tips to keep things smooth. Interface labels can vary slightly between updates, but the location remains the same. Account-wide in the web portal under In Meeting Basic, and In Meeting from the Participants panel's three-dot menu. If you schedule meetings for others, making the change in the web portal ensures a consistent, quiet experience across all the meetings you host. That's all there is to it. Use the web portal to set it and forget it, and the In Meeting toggle when you need a quick, immediate change.